Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. I am still giving the yellow wave count here a chance, which would be the bullish breakout wave count. In this count, however, we have a very exotic wave 1. Then a wave 2 to the downside is still unfolding in a so-called flat structure, which could form a running flat, in which the C wave will end above the A wave low. But it could also go a little lower. So the relevant support I am highlighting here for the bullish scenario, which is the yellow wave count, that is 55.3 cents. So at this stage, I would expect it to go a little lower. I haven't got any evidence that it has bottomed already. It could have, because from a Fibonacci extension point of view, which is one of these targets for the C wave, we have already reached the 1.618 extension of the A wave. That is sort of what you would expect generally for such a C wave. That was here at 70.8 cents. It's just that I haven't got any bullish reaction really to that level. We're rather dancing on that level. So at this stage, I would rather expect further continuation to the downside. It's a very tricky one. I have bullish support, which is very clearly stated, 55 cents. The support area actually starts at 63.6. But there's no need actually to get into the orange area for the yellow count to work out. It could turn earlier, and that could happen due to this extremely high B wave. So the C wave doesn't need that much space. I hope that makes sense. I mean, you can, if you talk about these Fibonacci extensions, a so-called extended flat pattern would take the C wave to the 2.618 extension. In this case, that is 59.8 cents. And that goes directly through the middle of this orange support area, right? So I'm just highlighting that we could still go lower. That's at the moment expected until I see a first signal that a low is already in. And the problem is, if we don't hold the 55.3 cent level, then the white wave count would likely work out, which is highly likely as well, because the move off the 10th of June low is just a 3-wave move. I mean, you can see that as well. And because it's only a 3-wave move, it could easily lead to another low. Now, if we get another low below 55 cents, it's likely going to be 48.5 or 41 cents. Only below 41, I think something more bearish is going on this chart. I would give it a chance to come down to 41. Ideally, I don't want it to break below 48.5 cents. Yeah? This is for me a key level where probabilities shift towards something more bearish on the daily chart. But okay, we can still give it a chance with the 88.7 Fib level, but ideally I'd like to avoid it. So 55.3 cents is relevant bullish support. Below that level, 48.5. Below that level, things may start to turn bearish. But there is still one more bullish case left here. One more bullish support level. It's just that when we get there to the 88.7 Fib level, unless it recovers very quickly, most likely the daily chart may turn bearish. Okay, so just be aware of that. But yeah, these are the most important parameters. I will keep you updated as soon as I see an impulse to the upside here. And at the moment, I don't have one. But as soon as I see an impulse to the upside here, I will make you aware, because it could indicate that the low is already in this C wave. And we all know how quickly MATIC could rally. I will start to accumulate probably a little bit, because I took profits on this way up. And so I bought down here, took profits on the way up, not everything, but I think around about 50%, I could be wrong, need to check. And then I'm just gonna go back to accumulating maybe on the weekend. I will always communicate that on Discord and Telegram. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.